Did you know the universe has a baby photo? A literal image from its infancy, hiding in plain sight. This is not hypothetical. This is the cosmic microwave background radiation, the faint afterglow of the universe's explosive birth. Many people imagine the Big Bang as an explosion into empty space, creating an instant void. They picture a sudden, cold nothingness. The truth: our early universe was an unbelievably hot, dense fog of plasma. Light could not escape. Then, around 380,000 years after the Big Bang, it cooled enough for photons to finally travel freely. In 1964, two scientists, Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson, accidentally detected this ancient light as persistent radiostatic. It is now precisely measured at a frigid 2.725 Kelvin. This pervasive glow is not mere static. It is the oldest light we can detect. It is the literal imprint of the early universe, showing the tiny temperature fluctuations that seeded all galaxies and stars. This radiation confirms the Big Bang and unveils the universe's fundamental properties. The cosmic microwave background is a constant cosmic echo, ensuring we never forget our explosive, luminous beginning. Subscribe to SpaceRepo. Tell us, what was your initial reaction to the 1964 discovery of this cosmic relic?